हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। फिर से हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं एक नए जगह घूमने के लिए, जो एक गुरुकुल है, मेडिटेशन सेंटर है, गौशाला है और भी बहुत कुछ है। इसका नाम है आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग इंटरनेशनल सेंटर। जैसे ही हम लोग अंदर पहुंचे, बहुत हवा स्टार्ट हो गया और तुरंत बारिश भी आ गया। तो यहाँ पे फ्री बस सर्विस है, जो आपको अंदर में सब कुछ फ्री टूर कराएगा। इतना बारिश हो रहा था, सब छाता लेके बस तक जा रहे थे, तो हम लोग भी छाता लेके बस के अंदर पहुँचे। फिर गाइड ने डिटेल्स में बताया क्या क्या है।
So to your right side is an amphitheater called Guru Paduka Vanam. Its seating capacity is 35,000. During bigger festivals such as Shivaratri, Navaratri, the sunset will be on. It's called Guru Paduka Vanam because its aerial view represents a partition building called as Dhyan Mandir. Its seating capacity is 20,000. Suppose in the future we combine Dhyan Mandir and Guru Paduka Vanam, more than 2 lakh people can attend a function at the same time. So now we are on our way to Gurukul and Goshala. So everybody please keep looking on your left hand side. You get to see the back side view of Vishalakshi Mandir. Can you? Okay, Vishalakshi Mandir is the main meditation hall of the ashram. It has 5 layers, each layer representing an element of Panchambhuta. So the height of the monument is 108 feet. So if you see that building, it's like a blossoming lotus, right? So there are 1008 petals in it and 81 supporting pillars, no central pillar. So one more speciality of these supporting pillars is that for every one pillar used in the building, they have constructed a home to a poor family in the surrounding villages. So 81, sometimes the course will be going on, they'll close the door, you can explore it from outside. Left side is the Panchakarma Therapy Center. It's a process to detox your body. So you can get your Panchakarma treatment done here. And Shirodhara therapy for the relaxation of body and mind. Netra Tejas Chikitsa for the eye vision corrections. Those all treatments can be done in this campus. And we also have a restaurant within it called Panchamrit, which is a combination of organic and sattvic.
पहले हम लोग गुरुकुल गए थे, तो वहाँ पे फ़ोटो वीडियो अलाउ नहीं था। उसके बाद हम लोग गौशाला आ गए। देखो গরুটা কত বড় বড় সিং গরুর। দেখো এই গরুটা, দেখো এগুলো সব বলদ গরু, ষাঁড় গরু।
Okay, so right now we are at Shri Shri Goshala. So we Indians worship cow. We call it Gomata and worship it just like any other god. So in our Goshala we have more than 1,500 cows of 19 Indian indigenous breeds, Desi breeds. So to your left side is Kankrej breed from Gujarat. So I hope you all have watched Bahubali movie. Do you remember that bullfight scene? So this was the breed, not this cow. This was not used for shooting, but this breed called Kankrej was used to shoot the movie. And to your right side is Gir breed from Gujarat. So like this, we have 19 Desi breeds over here. So the main reason for starting this Goshala was to preserve and promote our Desi breeds, which is reducing in number day by day, not for any commercial purpose. So here every day, around 700 to 800 liters of milk is produced. And no machine is used to milk the cow. You know, machine sometimes sucks the blood as well. It's very painful process for the cows. So we have over 50 volunteers here doing seva. So the entire milking process is taken care manually. So we follow something called as ahimsa milking, non-violence milking. So can anybody tell me who has the first right to the cow's milk? Cow, baby cow. So what we do is we allow the calf to drink milk. Whatever is the milk left out after the calf drag, we milk it out and use it for the ashram purpose. So like this every day around 700 liters is produced. So Desi cow's milk is called A2 milk. It is considered as pure as mother's milk. So it has different types of vitamins, nutrients, 21 types of amino acids. So we all know cow dung is used for cleaning purposes, agnihotras. Research shows that Gomutra, cow urine, is used in the treatment of cancer. So cow is not only worshipable, it has so much of medicinal uses as well. Okay, do you know what is the difference between Indian cows and foreign cows? Desi, Jersey, we tell. What is the difference? Do anybody know? Yes, I got my answer, thank you. So if you have observed, the Jersey cow, the foreign cows have a flat back. And our Indian cows have a hump on their back. So you can see a hump on every cow over here. The size and shape may vary, but every cow has a hump. So this is the difference between our Desi cows and Jersey cows. So inside this hump, there is a presence of a nerve called Surya Ketu Nadi, which absorbs all the positive energy and solar energy from the atmosphere. So that's why if you have observed, the cow dung, urine or the milk is slightly yellowish in color. So that is due to the presence of solar energy the Surya Ketu Nadi absorbs. Okay, one last question, after that I will not be disturbing you. Do you all know Narendra Modi ji? President. Yes? Okay, Prime Minister of India. I was just joking, I'm sorry. So last year our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji adopted a calf. Have you seen that viral video where he does the puja to the calf and takes it home? No? Nobody follows him? Okay. So last year our Prime Minister adopts a calf. So anybody knows which breed it was? Sorry? Yes, so please follow me. I will show you which breed it is. So these are the cutest cows of our Goshala, called as Punganuru. So this is the breed which our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji adopted. So whatever you are seeing here is a matured cow. It won't grow beyond this point. So this breed is known for its very small size, called Punganuru from Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, you can see a calf over there, it's so cute. So you all can click pictures and videos, touch the cow, they're very friendly, but be careful. So one last instruction is that we have multiple sections in Goshala, and this is the only section you have access to. So at the end of this Goshala section, we have a A2 milk cafe where you can buy buttermilk, milk products and sweets. So there are no chemicals or processing done. The milk from the Goshala is used to prepare those products. So if you are interested, please visit the cafe and do not walk back. The bus is ready at the other end. So you have around 10 minutes time to spend here. So let's meet you at the other end. Thank you.
কি বলে দর্শন কি বলে
है,
इसमें लस्सी है,
इसमें बटर मिल्क है
बटर मिल्क।
और इसमें रोज मिल्क है।
क्या मिल्क है?
रोज मिल्क।
रोज।
हाँ, रोज से बना हुआ रोज मिल्क।
अच्छा, हम लोग आए थे यहाँ पे, बस ओरिजिनल लस्सी है, एकदम प्योर दूध का, यहाँ पे कोई मिलावट नहीं है। और पेड़ा भी लिए हैं हम लोग, एकदम ओरिजिनल, कोई मिलावट नहीं है, कोई केमिकल नहीं है। आप कभी भी यहाँ पे आइए, टाइम लेके आइए, दोस्तों के साथ आइए, फैमिली के साथ आइए। यहाँ पे घूमने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगेगा, बहुत बड़ा एरिया है। आप यहाँ पे बैठ के आराम कर सकते हैं दोस्तों के साथ, फैमिली के साथ। फिर हम लोगों को थोड़ा भूख लग गया था, थोड़ा टिफ़िन करके फिर हम लोग गए मेडिटेशन सेंटर की तरफ, जो बहुत ही सुंदर है, बहुत ही पार्क जैसा, गार्डन्स जैसा बनाया है। और ये जो मेडिटेशन सेंटर है, 5 फ्लोर का मेडिटेशन सेंटर है, जो 5 तंत्र को रिप्रेजेंट करता है। बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है, अंदर मेडिटेशन होता है, बहुत बड़ा हॉल है। यहाँ पे गुरुजी आते हैं, मेडिटेशन कराते हैं, आपको अंदर जाके भी दिखाते हैं अंदर का नज़ारा कैसा दिखता है।